Hello everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Live, where I do the daily question raw and uncut. So we have an easy today. It's called minimum number of operations to make elements in array distinct. So we're given like a an array of numbers, and because it is an easy question, like usually the bounds are very small. So like the numbers are very small and positive. Also like the length is also very small. You're given like the integer array. You want to make all of them distinct, and we can do like the following operations. So we can remove three elements from the beginning of the array, and if there are less than three elements, then we can remove all of them. So note that an empty array, right? So we just want to like keep removing like three elements at a time, until like we have all the remaining elements distinct. This is very simple. Like all we have to do is we can use a counter, and then we just remove like three at a time. I think that's it. Yeah, but the only thing we have to worry about is like it's like for the last, like the last batch. So if it is less than three, we have to like account for that. But otherwise, so I'm thinking of like an n squared solution, like where you just, but is there like a better solution? I guess it doesn't really matter here. So I'm just gonna remove and then like, let's just do the n squared solution. Let's just like do the, like just write it out very quickly, I guess. So what we can do is, so we have remaining numbers. What we can do is like we can basically like copy the list first. So num in nums. And then like we can have a function. So something like is distinct. So we will have the array, which is a list of int. We return a boolean, and then all we have to do is we just use a counter. So I guess we can use a default dict as well. So import default dict. What we can do is like we have like a frequency map default dict. We set as int. So now for num in array, we just want frequency. Oh wait, we don't need this. We can use the set instead. So we can just do scene. Like we can use the scene set, and then so if num in scene, we want to return false. Otherwise, we will just add like the number into the scene array, and then if none of them trigger like this condition, we'll just return true, right? So I guess we do need I was thinking like whether we need a double-ended queue or not, but we don't actually need that, because we can just do this. So reversed nums. So that's gonna generate like a copy that is reversed, and then so we can just pop from the end. So so we also want like the number of operations. So while not is distinct for the remaining numbers, we just want to pop it 3 times. So I guess we can do something like I is equal to 0, and while remaining nums, like while there's still elements in there, and I is more than 3, We just want to do remaining nums dot pop. So we pop it 3 times, or like it has no elements left. And then we have to like obviously increase the number of operations, and also we should increment I here for our count, and then at the end we can just return number of operations, and I think this will work. List. Yeah, nice. So yeah, well, there are probably like a lot of ways to do it in in ON. Like for example, by storing all the unique numbers in like all the duplicate numbers in a list, and like we have a count, and every time we remove, we want to like remove like from that like dictionary, and like we just want to return when the dictionary is empty. So like that dictionary is not going to store any like any unique elements basically. So yeah, that would be like an OM way of doing it, but yeah, it's just an easy question. So yeah, we don't really need to fuss about it too much. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.